Good morning, students. Please sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Good. My name is Michael Lee Cook. You can call me Teacher Mike, okay? So Michael is my first name. Lee is my middle name. Cook is my last name, okay? Today I'm going to teach you about English words of quantity. It's like how much, how many. We say quantifiers. And you come, yeah, this is a big word, okay? With countable and uncountable nouns. So these are the words we will learn today, okay? And which words do you use? What words do you say? Do you say a little, or do you say a few, or some, or much, or many, or a lot of? Okay? But first, I want to start with a warm-up game, okay? This game is called ping pong, okay? Do you know the game ping pong? Like ping pong? We will play this game, but with words, okay? So this is how we play the game. I will start with the word door, D-O-O-R, right? Okay, now I want you, first we'll play me and you, and then you'll play together. So now you tell me a word in English with the last letter R, because door is spelled D-O-O-R. I want you to give me one word with R. Anyone? Rat, rat. So R-A-T, my turn. Table, your turn. Eraser, R. Rebel, R-E-B-E-L. Lion, lion, good. So, and noun, noun. Yeah, and near, very good. All right, so you understand how to play? All right, so I want 2 students, 3 students, g'day, you could have 3 students, to play this game. If there are 3, you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? 2 students, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, I will give you just a few minutes to play this game. So 1 student starts with 1 English word, okay? Are you ready? Get together, I want you to start. Actually, everyone start with the word school. All right, so one student start with school, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Start. 2 students together. Okay, you 3, you could do 1, 2, 3. You do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You could do that. So we have these words. We have a little, a few, some, much, many, and a lot of, okay? A little and a few, they're smaller. Middle, some is in the middle. Big is much, many, and a lot of, okay? Now, I want everyone to do this. Make this action, okay? Everyone. Now do this. Now do this. Okay? So, this is a little and a few. Okay? A little and a few. Some, we don't know. We know it's middle or small. If you say some, we know middle or small, but we don't know exactly. We don't have a number, okay? So the action for some will be this and then this. Can everyone do this? Copy me. Cool. Cool. So you know, okay, middle, and it can be small for some. Okay, what is this? What is this?
Small.
A little and a few. Very good. What is this? Some. Some. Okay, let's do one more time. What is this? Very good. Little and a few. What is this? Some. Good. And guess what this is? Good. Much, many, and a lot of. Okay, so this is much, many, and a lot of. I will do the action. I want you to tell me the words. Okay? Ready? A little and a few. Very good. Some. Good.
Much, many, and a lot of.
Very good. Very good. A little and a few.
Some. Much, many, and a lot of.
Good. Good.
Some.
Good. All right, now I will say the word, you do the action. Ready? A few. A lot of. Good. Some. A little. Many. Very good. Very good. All right. So now, what is this? Good. It's a banana. It's a banana. All right. So if we want, we have number one is all small words. If we want to say, for small banana, do we say a little or a few? Okay. Well, in English, we say a few with countable nouns and a little with uncountable nouns. Up, up, up. Okay, what is a countable and an uncountable noun? Here we go. I want you to hold out your hand. I want you to count how many pens that I put in your hand. Okay? Now, ready?
1,
2. She has 2 pens. Okay, now I have rice. Okay? Hold out your hand. I want you to count how much rice. How much? ไม่ได้เลยใช่ไหม Okay, you can put the rice back. So rice is an uncountable noun. Okay? เพราะนับไม่ได้ you cannot count rice. Okay? Pens is a countable noun. You can count 1 pen, 2 pens. Okay? In English, this is very important. Also, there are many things we cannot count. All right. I want you to look at the pictures here. 1 to 8 is one thing. 9 to 16 is another. Can you tell me what is different? What is different between pictures 1 to 8 and pictures 9 to 16? What is different? Very good. What is 1 to 8? What is 1 to 8? Uncountable nouns. Correct. 1 to 8 is uncountable nouns. 9 to 16 is countable nouns. Very good. So, first of all, what are they? So, what is the noun? What is number 1? Water. Water you cannot count. Okay? Number 2? Ice. Number 3? Rice. Number 4? Soup. Number 5?
Cheese.
Good. Number 6? Milk. Number 7?
Bread.
Bread. Number 8?
Ice cream.
Very good. Now, what are each of these things? What is number 1?
Water.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Good. Number 2, what is it?
Banana.
Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Good. Number 3, what is it?
Rice.
Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Good. If you don't know, Tamayo, you can look here. U is uncountable. C is countable. Okay? What is number 4?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Everyone say cucumber.
Cucumber.
Good. Again, cucumber.
Cucumber.
Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Countable. Good. What is number 5?
Tomato.
Tomato. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Number 6. What is it?
Milk.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Number 7. What is it?
Carrot.
Carrot. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Number 8. What is it?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Good. Number 9. What is it?
Onion.
Onion. Good. Onion. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Good. Number 10. What is it?
Ice.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Good. Number 11. What is it?
Pineapple.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Good. Number 12. What is it?
Soup.
Soup. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Good. Number 13. What is it?
Coconut.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Number 14. What is it?
Tomato.
What is this?
Tomato.
What is this?
Tomato.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Good. Number 15. What is it?
Cheese.
Good. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Very good. Number 16. What is it?
Bread.
And is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Excellent. We are going to work with bananas here, okay? So, which is bigger? This picture or this picture? Number 2 is bigger, right? There's more, okay? So, for number 1, we have a choice. This is small. Remember this? What words is this? A little and a few. So a little we say with uncountable. A few we say with countable nouns. Okay? Is banana a countable or uncountable noun?
Countable.
Countable. I put a C here, okay, for countable. So what do we say with bananas? What do we say with countable nouns? We say a few. We say a few. So if you say a sentence, you say a few bananas. A few bananas. This, what is this?
Some.
Very good. Some, it's with countable and uncountable. It's easy. Some bananas. Some bananas. Now, much and many, we make with questions. A lot of times with questions. Can you give me a sentence with banana? Oh, first, do we say much or, yeah, we say with many because it's a countable noun. So give me a sentence with banana and many. Give me one sentence with banana and many. I have. Yes, I have many bananas. I have many bananas. So number 4, this is
A lot of.
good, a lot of. So we'd say a lot of bananas. All right? So we're going to practice. Number 1, we say a few bananas. Okay? A few bananas. Number 2,
Some bananas.
some bananas. Number 3,
Many bananas.
many bananas. Many bananas. Number 4,
A lot of bananas.
a lot of bananas. Good. What's number 5?
A few bananas.
A few bananas. A few bananas. What's number 6?
A lot of bananas.
A lot of bananas. What's number 7?
Some bananas.
And what is number 8?
Many bananas.
Many bananas. Number 8. No, make a question. Oh yeah, many bananas. But can you make a question? Can you make a question? How? No, not how much. How many bananas do you have? How many bananas do you have? Okay. All right. Now, cucumbers. Again, a countable noun. A countable noun. Okay. So, but look at the pictures. What do you think is number 9? Yeah, a lot of what? A lot of cucumbers. What is number 10?
Some.
Good, good. Some. So we'd say some what? Some cucumbers. Some cucumbers. Number 11, make a question. No, it's going to be, yeah, much or many. So how many? How many cucumbers do you have? Good. How many cucumbers do you have? And what is number 12? A few cucumbers. Good. A few cucumbers. What is number 9? A lot of cucumbers. Number 12?
A few cucumbers.
Number 10?
Some cucumbers.
And make a question.
How many cucumbers do you have?
Very good, very good. One more we're going to practice with milk. Milk, or more than one. What is milk? A countable or uncountable noun? Uncountable. You cannot count milk. So, for this, do we say a little or few? We say a little. Good. With this, number 2, some. With the question, do we say much or many? Much. And number 4, a lot of. Good. So now, what is number 1? A little milk. A little milk. What is number 2?
Some milk.
Some milk. What is number 3?
How much milk do you have?
Good. How much milk do you have? And what is number 4?
A lot of milk.
A lot of milk. What is number 2?
Some milk.
Good. Number 3?
How much milk do you have?
Good. Number 1?
A little milk.
Good. Very good. What is number 5?
How much ice do you have?
Very good. How much ice do you have? What is number 6?
Some.
Yeah. Some ice. Some ice. What is number 7? A little ice. A little ice. What is number 8?
A lot of ice.
A lot of ice. Very good. You're getting the hang of this. Okay, so now, number 9, this is ice cream. Ice cream. So, what is number 9? A little ice cream. What is number 10?
A lot of ice cream.
A lot of ice cream. Make a question with number 11.
How much ice cream do you have?
Very good. How much ice cream do you have? Number 12.
Some ice cream.
Some ice cream. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to practice with all. But only with a little and a few. Okay? So you tell me if you say a little or a few. Number 1. A little water. A little water. Number 2. A few bananas. Number 3. A little rice. A little rice. Number 4.
A few cucumbers.
Good. Number 5.
A few tomatoes.
A few tomatoes. Number 6.
A little milk.
A little milk. Number 7.
A few carrots.
A few carrots. Number 8.
A little ice cream.
A little ice cream. Number 9.
A few onions.
A few onions. Good. A few onions. Number 10.
A little
A
ice.
little ice. Number 11.
A few pineapples.
A few pineapples. Number 12.
A little soup.
A little soup. Number 13.
A few coconuts.
A few coconuts. A few coconuts. Coconuts. Good. Number 14.
A few tomatoes.
A few potatoes. I take tomatoes. A few potatoes. Good. Number 15. A little cheese. And number 16? A little bread. A little bread. Very good. Very good. But this, much and many, we say with a question, right? So I want you to make a question. Number 1. What is the question?
How much water do you have?
How much water do you have? Number 2, make a question.
How many bananas do you
How
have?
many bananas do you have? Number 3.
How much rice do you have?
Good. Number 4.
How many cucumbers do you have?
Good. Number 5.
How many tomatoes do you have?
Number 6.
How much milk do you have?
Good. 7.
How many carrots do you have?
How many carrots do you have? Number 8.
How much ice cream do you have?
Good. Number 9.
How many onions do you have?
How many onions do you have? Onions do you have? Number 10.
How much ice do you have?
Good. Number 11.
How many pineapples do you have?
Good. Number 12.
How much soup do you
How
have?
much soup do you have? Number 13.
How many coconuts do you have?
Good. Number 14.
How many potatoes do you have?
Good. Number 15.
How much cheese do you have?
Good. Number 16.
How much bread do you have?
How much bread do you have? Okay, very good. So, I'm going to ask students to tell me what it is. Let's start with 1. What do we say with 1 here? A little what? A little water, a little water. Number 2, let's go with 2 here. What do we say? Some bananas. Number 3, 3 here. A lot of rice. Good. Okay, now I'll say the number and then the action, and then I want you to tell me. Number 4. A lot of cucumbers. Number 5.
Some tomatoes.
Some tomatoes. Good. Number 6.
A little milk.
Good. A little milk. Number 7.
A lot of carrots.
Good. Number 8. Make a question. Make a question.
How much ice cream do you have?
Very good. Very good. Number 9. A few onions. Good. Number 10. Make a question.
How much ice do you have?
Good. Number 11.
Some pineapple.
Good. Number 12.
A lot of soup.
Good. Number 13. Make a question.
How many coconuts do you have?
Very good. Number 14.
Some potatoes.
Good. Number 15.
A little cheese.
Good. Number 16.
A lot of bread.
Good, good, good. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to play it for you 2 times, okay? The first time, only watch. Watch and listen, okay? Okay, so let's read through the questions. Some of these questions you can answer by yourself. So at first there was blank ice. Okay, so the noun is ice. You tell me if ice is countable or uncountable.
Uncountable.
Good. Scratch, that's the name of the rat. Scratch has got one nut. Do you know a nut? Nut is the thing Scratch wants to get. He tries to get. He runs and runs and runs. Is a nut. Okay. Is nut. Do you think nut is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Scratch sees. Is it dinosaur? Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Good. There is also fire. Is fire countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. You cannot count fire. There are blank giraffes. So giraffes is the noun. In Africa, is giraffes countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Very good. Number 6. There are blank heads on Easter Island. One of them is Scratch's head. Head is the noun. Is head countable or uncountable? Countable. Countable. You can count heads. 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. There are blank pyramids. Is pyramid countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. And blank of sand. So sound is the noun. Is sand countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Oh, very good. That was a little tricky. Sand is uncountable. Number 9. In the end, there is blank water. What is water?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Number 10. And blank ice. Remember, is ice countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Very good. Very good. All right, I'll play the video one more time. So here are the questions about ice, about the nut, about dinosaurs, about fire, about giraffes, okay? About heads, about pyramids, about sand, about water and ice, okay? So when I play the video again, I want you to watch and look for these things, okay? So what he has, this is the nut. Okay, so now let's answer these questions. At first there was a little, a few, or a lot of ice. Good. At first there was a lot of ice. Number 2, Scratch has got a few, one, a little nut. Good. Scratch has got one nut. Number 3, Scratch sees one, a few, or a lot of dinosaur. One dinosaur. Number 4, there is also a little, a lot of, or a few fire. Good, a little fire. Number 5, there are a lot of, a little, or a few giraffes in Africa. A lot of. Number 6, there are a lot of, a few, a little heads on Easter Island. One of them is Scratch's head. Do you remember? Do you remember many heads? Do you remember 4? I remember it looked like, I think, a lot of. There's many, I think there's more than 4 heads. It came from the mountain. Remember? Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. So I would say, oh, a lot of heads. A lot of heads. Number 7, there are a few, a lot of, or little pyramids. Yeah, I would say a few pyramids. Number 8, and a lot of, a little, or a few of sand. A lot of sand, a lot of sand. Number 9, in the end there is a few, a little, or a lot of water. A lot of water. And number 10, and a few, a lot of, or a little ice. At the end, a little ice. Remember, he's like, ah, and then he hits the ice. Okay, there's a small ice, a lot of water, a little ice. Okay, good. All right, next we're going to play a game, but I need to. This is a conversation game we will play. Okay, so first I want to review and go over the conversations. You have to remember, okay? You don't have to remember now, but before you finish the game, you have to remember the conversations, okay? So let's go over these. If it's a countable noun and you see this, then you add an S. For example, potato is a countable noun. If you see this, then you say potatoes. Okay? Do you understand? If you see this and it's an uncountable noun, water, okay, then you do not add S. You do not say waters. You just say water. Okay? If it's countable, then you say the words any or were they. If it's uncountable, you say some or was it. So let's go through this. Let's take the example banana. Okay, banana is a countable noun, right? So excuse me, do you have any? Do you have any bananas? Do you have any bananas? Yes, we have. Now this you have to say with up to you. You have to put in a word, okay? So let's start and use the example of banana, okay? Is banana a countable or uncountable noun? Countable. It's a countable noun. So here we have person 1. Excuse me, do you have any bananas? Good. Person 2. Yes, we have a lot of, or a few, or some bananas. Right, over there. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is conversation A, all right? Conversation B. Normally, how many bananas do you like to eat? Yeah, we do not drink bananas. All right, normally I like to eat, up to you, a lot of bananas. Oh, that is too Do you say too many or too much? That is too many. Normally, I eat, how about a few? Normally, I eat a few bananas. Very good. All right, conversation C. I bought some bananas yesterday. Good. I bought some bananas yesterday. Really? How much were they? How much were they? Because bananas are a countable noun. Were they? Okay. Were they? It was. No, were they? They were. They were a number. They were 100 baht. They were 100 baht. Okay, that's expensive. Okay, conversation D. Do you have any bananas? Do you have any bananas? I'm sorry, I'm out of bananas. Did you ask, and this any name, did you ask Teacher Mike? He only has a few bananas. He only has some bananas, yeah, if you want a lot of bananas. Okay, so does everyone understand 4 conversations, okay? In this game, 2 people play together, okay? So, one person will be person 1, one person will be person 2, okay? I will give each group a card. So, for example, this card, this has potato, all right? You need to read, we'll start with conversation A. You need to read and remember, and then come to me and say this conversation to me, and then I will give you a new card, okay? Kumi by Maktisut ben Chana. The winner is the ones with the most cards. All right, do you understand? Yes. Okay, so now we're gonna go and set everything up for the game, okay? Every couple, one student, raise your hand. Each couple, you get 1 card. Raise your hand, please. Okay, here we have 2 stations, okay? The same conversation, conversation A, B, C, and D. At the start, only A, okay? I will start with A. So I will say go, 1, 2, 3, go. You come here. You have to remember, don't jump. You need to remember conversation A. And you run here and wait and then speak to me. And when you're finished speaking, dan sa leo, then I will give you a new card and you go back, okay? Kumi by Maktisut ben Chana, okay? You understand?
Yes.
Good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good. So card C. So now you. Did it? Come here. Now you get comfortable. Okay. Good. Now you get uncomfortable. Good. So rice is uncomfortable, now you get comfortable. Good. Is it U or C? So now you get U. Very good. Cheese is uncountable, so now countable. No. Is this a little or a few? A little, yeah. It only has a few bananas. A few bananas. Good. All right. Ding ding. You A, B, C, D. A, B, C, and D. They all right? You finished all four. Ding 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 ding. We have a winner. They finished all four. Okay. Very good. Thank you very much. We can stop now. Oh, you have four? Well, how many cards do you have? How many cards do you have? 5 cards. How many do you have? 4. How many do you have? 4. How many do you have? 2. How many do you have? 2. That's okay. How many do you have? 4. Okay. 5. Raise your hand. You are the winner. 4. You have first place. Who has 4? Raise your hand. 4. So we have 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. You got second place. Very good. Very good. The rest of you, good job too. Okay? So let's review and summarize. Okay? Everyone, what is this?
Little and few.
Good. What is this?
Some.
What is this?
A lot of.
Good. What are the 2 question words?
Much and many.
Much and many. Good. Now, what is this? A little and a few. Which do we say with countable? Countable, like banana. A few bananas. Good. Which do we say with uncountable?
A little.
Like a little water. Exactly. A little water. Now, some. What do we say? Uncountable or uncountable?
Some banana.
Say both. Some water and some bananas. Some water and bananas.
A lot.
A lot of. Do we say a lot of with countable or uncountable?
A lot of banana.
A lot of bananas and
And
a lot of
water.
water. Good. So we say with both. We could say with both. Okay? Question words. We have much and many. Good. Much. Do we say with countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Many. Do we say countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Very good. Thank you very much for coming today.
Thank you, teacher.
See you next time.